Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can take care of the battery health of your iPhone. So I'm going to share some tips and tricks through which you will be able to keep your battery 100% for a much longer time. And even if it's not 100%, you can still take care of your battery health so it doesn't drop quickly. So here are some tips. And many people are complaining about the battery health, and the main reason is they are doing a lot of mistakes when it comes to how to charge your iPhone. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about most important stuff, and that is about the battery health. Now let's start with the very first thing. Now first thing I want to talk about how you can charge your phone. Now, when you are going to charge your phone, whenever your battery is around 20%, like it is going to drop and it is like 20% over here and it is red, charge your iPhone. Never let it go below 20%. This is the best tip. Follow the 20-80 rule. Make sure wherever you are near 20%, put your phone on charging. And when you are around 80%, just unplug the charger. And also what you can do is there's a lot of settings you need to follow. So let me get into the settings. Let me get into the battery over here. So there are two settings option available. Maybe your iPhone have one, that depends upon your iPhone. Now when you are into this setting, so there is a charge limit, as you can see. The best charge limit to follow is 2080, so make sure it is on 80. I every day go out, so I choose 85%, but you can also choose 80. Just do this and go for this. And what it does is whenever you are 80, it stop charging, and this help a lot to improve the battery. This help to a lot to enhance the battery health. And if your iPhone don't have this option over here, there must be an option of optimized battery charging. So turn the optimized battery charging on. This is also a very useful option. If you don't have this option, go for this option. Both options are going to help you a lot. So far you need to do this. You need to follow 2080 rule. When you are around 20, put the phone on charging. Also, never use phone while charging. So what it does, for example, you are charging your phone, it is enhancing, improving the battery life, it is increasing the battery, and at the same time you are consuming the battery. So it is like kind of a clash between increasing the battery and decreasing the battery, that can also cause the battery health to suffer, and that can also cause the overheating. So never use your iPhone while charging. Now there's, and most importantly, there are some stuff related to accessories. Now basically what people do is they charge their iPhone using cheap chargers, cheap Apple copy chargers. I know original chargers are quite costly and they are not coming out of the box, so that is one thing. But there are tons of options available from a really good companies, really good brands that you can try out. One that I recommend to every other person is this nano charger that is by Anchor. This video is not sponsored by any means. This is a really good product. This is why I'm talking. So yeah, if you can't afford the Apple charger, original Apple charger, go for this one. Also, what is happening in the market is people are selling fake copy chargers and calling them original chargers, and they're also selling them for like half of the price for the original. That don't make sense. Like, if the original chargers are about 100 bucks, how will you get a original charger for a 50 buck, right? So what you need to do is see the pricing of original charger, and there are lots of ways to determine that what is original and what is fake. Follow those things and you will be able to see what is which one is the real or which one is the fake one. So don't buy cheap copy Apple chargers. Go for the third party chargers that are MFI certified. MFI is made for iPhone. Whatever made for iPhone is certified, they are really good. And this is one is recommended by me once again. Again, not sponsored, but still I am recommending them. Also, try to use the data cables that are coming out of the box with the iPhone. This is a data cable that came with my iPhone 16. Don't put them in box that you will use them someday or you just want to keep them, don't want to destroy them. If you just keep these cables in the box and use the cheap one, you're gonna destroy the battery health of your iPhone. So use them, use these cables instead of any other option available, and use them nicely, use them wisely. Don't do stretching or something. Use them nicely. They will not gonna damage or anything. They are good quality cables. Also, you can go for the MagSafe chargers, wireless chargers. I use this one. This is from Basus, I guess. This is a decent one. I don't recommend this one. There are different reasons. It is pricey. It is not good. It's just 5,000 mAh. I don't recommend this one, but there are more options available from Anchor even, so you can try out them too. So this way you will be able to enhance the battery health of your iPhone.